my channel. You're probably wondering why I am aiming at this coin and some tinted water. Well, that is not some tinted water, that is poisonous tinted water. And I have got a question for you guys. So, you are trapped or locked in a room, and in front of you is a table, and you walk to it. There is a coin and some poisonous tinted water. You should not take it. You should not touch that tinted water. That is very poisonous. And there is a door that leads to safety, but only this nickel in there can help you get through. But how will you get it? But can you get it without getting your hands wet? Of course you can. You see, there is also a match, glass cup, and a candle with this tinted poisonous water. So we are going to. Now I am going to show you how to retrieve this coin without touching the poisonous tinted water. So first, we are going to take the candle and put it anywhere in the poisonous tinted water. Now, you will need an adult's help because you'll have to light a match over here. Now, second, we are going to hold this glass on top of the candle. Oh my God, all the poisonous tinted water is going inside. Wow. Look at those bubbles. Press down a little. Wow. All the poisonous tinted water got sucked in and the candle blew out. Now you can get the coin without getting your hands wet. Boo 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 baby. And you can unlock the door and get out to freedom. Congratulations, you have completed your challenge. Friends, do you know how I got to retrieve the coin without getting my hands wet? Well, the answer is simple. You see, when the glass is above the tinted candle for 15 seconds, some heat will go inside it. Then, when you put in, the candle will go off, and then inside the glass, what is happening is that the air gets cool, and that will create some kind of pressure, and as a result, the candle will eventually drink all the tinted water. So friends, this is the end of my video, and while you've been watching this one, I hope you guys have been liking, sharing. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. And most importantly, do not forget to hit that bell after you do it to turn on notifications. Bye!